Hey everyone, welcome back to Fusioneers. My name is Joseph. Today we're going to be making a cube using the box method. So this is where we left off last time with the corner rectangle cube. So we're going to go ahead and click File, New Design, Command S to save, and then we're going to say Cube, Box. All right, and then we're going to turn on our origin if it's not already on. And then this time, if you remember back to the cylinder method for the quarter, this is pretty similar. So if we click create, you'll see here that we have our kind of normal sketch, extrude, all that. And then down here are kind of our combined commands here. So what this does is it basically combines some commonly used sketches into a solid body. And again, this is not really something that's used very often, but I thought it would be worth mentioning because it is technically a way to make a cube relatively easily. So if we select box, it's going to ask us what plane we want to start on, and it really doesn't matter, but I like selecting the bottom plane here. And then it doesn't actually snap, so I would go ahead and click on the top here so that we can get a better view. And then this is going to be what looks like a corner rectangle. So we'll just start here and then draw it out to the side. And you can see now that it's basically giving us a length, a width, and a height that we want to make our cube. So I'm going to go back to the home view, and you can see here that we can adjust this however we want it, because it's technically a box, right? It's a box command, so we can make it a rectangular prism or a cube. So what we're going to do for our cube is make these all 25.4, 25.4, and then 25.4, and then click OK. All right, and then you'll see, as I spent some time talking about in our last video, that this is not centered at the origin, which is somewhat annoyance to me just because I like having things centered at the origin. So we can see if we can edit this. And you'll notice here that we can't really edit where this is in space. That's one of the drawbacks of this type of model, unless you're doing a component, which we haven't got into yet. If we wanted it to be at the origin, it'd be kind of difficult to do that with this method. So again, this is a way to make a cube using the box method. It's not one that I recommend. As I mentioned earlier, I really think that the center rectangle, if you're just trying to make a cube, makes the most sense to me. But again, this is a way to do that, and I'm just giving you different examples and hopefully showing you just the different possibilities of Fusion with this tutorial. So thank you for taking time to watch, and see you in the next one.